Good day, everyone. I am Leon Margaret Carpio from grade 11 HU1A. So today, I want to talk about the power of your vote, shaping the future of our community and country. Look around you. What do you see? The Philippines is drowning not because of floods, but because of greed. This powerful statement highlights the issue of corruption and greed that's affecting the country rather than natural disasters like floods. When we talk about voting, it's easy to feel like our individual vote doesn't count. But the truth is, every single vote matters. By electing the right leaders, we can shape the future of our community and country in meaningful ways. Voting for the right leaders is crucial for a country's prosperity and well-being. By voting, it just not affect us, our family, and our community, but also our country. So we should be very careful when selecting the person we are going to vote. Not just because you knew that person, not just because they give you money, and not just because they are famous, you're going to vote for them. When voting, please consider research candidates. Look into their tracks, records, policies, and values. Evaluate their integrity. Consider their honesty, transparency, and accountability. Assess their vision. Align their goals with your own values and priorities. Consider their leadership skills. Look for experience, competence, and ability to work with others. Think about the impact. How will their policies affect you, your community, and the country? Don't be swayed by emotions. Make informed decisions based on facts and logic. Vote based on values. Choose candidates who share your values and priorities. So let's make our voices heard. Let's vote for leaders who prioritize community development, economic growth, and social justice. Together, we can create a brighter future for ourselves and our future generations.